everyone! Welcome to my channel. I'm Dewey, your go-to water drop. We're gonna have so much fun exploring together. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you soon!
Write the appropriate symbols, greater or lesser or equals. Let's start reading the numbers. 10,037, 9,998. So which is greater? 10,037 is greater than 9,998. Next, 1,09,050, 1,10,005. So which is greater, 1,09,000 or 1,10,000? First we have to compare the lakhs period. So lakhs period are same, 1 and 1. Next move on to thousands period. Next write the periods on top of the digit so that it will be easy for us to compare. So this is ones period and this is thousands period and this is lakhs period. Lakhs, thousands and ones period. So now we will compare period wise. So in lakhs place both the numbers are equal. Next move on to thousands place, 9 and 10. So which is greater? 10 is greater than 9. So 1,10,005 is greater than 1,09,050. Similarly, we will write the periods so that it will be easy for us to answer. Lakhs, thousands period, ones period. Okay, start comparing in lakhs period. 16, 16. So same numbers are there in lakhs period. Next move on to thousands period. 35, 35. Here also same numbers. Next we will move on to ones period. 37, 73. So which is greater? 73 is greater than 37. So 16 lakh 35,073 is greater than 16 lakh 35,037. Next, lakhs, thousands, ones. Lakhs, thousands, ones. So we will compare the lakhs period. 57, 59. So 59 is greater than 57. Hence 59 lakh 7,801 is greater than 57 lakh 9,801. Circle the largest number. So here also we will go according to the periods. We will write the periods above each numbers. Ones, thousands, ones, thousands, lakhs, ones, thousands, lakhs, ones, thousands, lakhs, ones, thousands, lakhs. If you start comparing between the periods, it will be easy for us to answer these questions. So let's start with the periods. The first period we are not having lakhs, whereas the other set of numerals are having lakhs. So obviously this will not be the largest number among all others. So we will go for the next numeral. 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 1 lakh, 1 lakh. So which is greater? 10 is greater than ones. So largest number in this set is 10,50,000. Next, let's solve out another set of problem. So ones, thousands, lakhs. So first step is to write the periods on each number. Ones, thousands, lakhs. Ones, thousands, lakhs. Ones, thousands, lakhs. Ones, thousands, lakhs. Now start comparing between the periods. Let's start with the first number, 5, 3, 4, 4, 11. So which is the largest number? 11 is larger than all others. So here the largest number is 11 lakh 110. Write the smallest 3-digit number using digits 2 and 7, repeating 7 2 times. That means 7 should come twice in that smallest 3-digit number. So which are the numbers they have given? 2, 7, and which should be repeated? 7 should be repeated. By using these numbers we have to write the 3-digit smallest number. So let's start. So which is the smallest among these? 2, next 7, next 7. So in order only we have written. Hence the answer for this question is 277. write the smallest 4-digit number using digits 9, 0 and 7, repeating 7 2 times. So by using the digits 9, 0, 7, and which number should be repeated 2 times? 7 should be repeated 2 times. So by using these digits, we have to form a smallest 4 digit. So among these, the smallest is 0. But if we put 0 in the first, and if we write the next number, 0 will not be having any value. So we can't put 0 in first digit. So we will move on to the next smallest digit among these three is 7. So 7. This is done. Next, which is the smallest number? 0. Next, 7. Remaining is 9. So the smallest 4-digit numbers are 7079. Ascending order. How to write these large numbers in ascending order? So first step, we have to group the numbers into their periods. So ones, thousands, lakhs. 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 Next, start comparing between the periods. So first, let's compare the period lakhs. 41, 40, 4, 41, 41. So 4 is smallest number. Ascending order means, you know, right? From small to big. Right? Okay, 4 is smaller among all others numbers. So first number will be 4,09,806. Now this is done. Next, 41, 40, 41, 41. So 40 is smaller. 40,98,065. So this is also done. Next, 41, 41, 41. So in lakhs period, we are having same number. Now we will move on to the next period, that is thousands period. 9, 9, 90. So 9 is smaller, but we are having 2 9s over here. So we will move on to the next period, that is ones period. 806, 860. So which is smaller? 806 is smaller than 860. So this number will be the next number. That is 41,09,806. Next, 41, 41. So same numbers. 9, 90. So 9 is smaller than 90. So the next number is 41,09,860. Now the remaining number is 41,90,806. Descending order. So we have to write these numbers in descending order. Descending order means from big to small, right? Okay. Now you all know what is the first step, right? Writing the periods. Lakhs, thousands, ones. Lakhs, thousands, ones. Here we are having thousands, ones. We are not having lakhs. Lakhs, thousands, ones. Lakhs, thousands, ones. Start comparing. 7 lakhs, 77 lakhs. Here we are not having lakhs. 7 lakhs, 7 lakhs. So which is the largest number? 77 lakh is larger number. So the first number will be this one. 77 lakh 18,906. Next. 7 lakh, 7 lakh, 7 lakh. Here we are not having lakhs. So here we are having same number in lakhs period. We will move on to the next period, thousands period. 18, 18, 81. So 81 is bigger number. So the next number will be 7 lakh 81,906. Next, 7 lakh, 7 lakh, same. 18,000, 18,000. Here also same numbers. 906, 960. So which is larger? This number is bigger. 7 lakh 18,960. Next, between these two, here we are not having lakhs period. Hence, this will be the larger number. So 7 lakh 18,906. So the remaining number is 71,000. 890.
Thanks for watching. Like and share this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe for more fun.